I firmly believe that you can become friends with your family. I myself have done it. I've connected with my mom on a level that I've never been able to connect with her before. We were estranged for years upon years, and now I can consider her a genuine friend. I want to help you be able to do this too. I have a free 4-week masterclass that's going to help you develop skills, be more grounded in yourself so that you can have better conversations with your family. By the end of this course, you are going to learn how to authentically connect with your family members. And also be wise. This is not therapy, and I'm not a therapist. I'm sharing my own personal experiences and what's worked for me, and I'm sure it will work for you if you are a person who wants to take control of your own actions and your own behaviors, and you're not blaming your parents for things that they could not do or do not understand. This course will not work for you. If this sounds good to you, come check us out at 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time tonight. We have a live Q&A happening. Come get your questions answered. Come be in community with others.